blog, the podcast, and the video. Those are the big ones. Social is absolutely secondary to me. It took me about a year and a half to get all three of those firing. Maybe there's some superhuman individuals that can do all three at once and hit it out of the gates. For most people, it's way better to go through one learning curve, get to competence, and then look at, okay, how do I add on the next learning curve? I did nothing but videos for 6 months, about 150. I switched to 3 videos per week, which was a really good pace for me. Then I put out my first lead magnet and it sucked. Took 3 iterations to find a lead magnet that was actually enticing to my people. At a year is when I did my first blog. Even for me, it took 18 months to get all 3 of those firing. Now that they're all firing consistently for longer periods of time, the power of compounding takes over. And that's why I prefer search over social. Social, you can get short-term benefits. Something goes viral, boom. But the search, I have videos from 2016 that are still bringing in hundreds of subscribers per month to my channel, not to mention everything I've done since then. That's the power you get in search that you just don't get in social.